Working on the Urdd Apprenticeship scheme is a great opportunity for anyone wanting to work in the sporting world through the medium of Welsh.
In my opinion, I'd never get these opportunities or experiences by going to university or through any other scheme. My name's Catherine Owen, I work in Glanllyn and I'm on my second year on the apprentice scheme.
My name's Emma Davis and I'm the Urdd Sports Activity Officer based in Llanelli.
I'm Pradhalw, I'm the second year sports apprentice for Anglesey.
My name's Lauren Richards, I'm an Urdd Sports Apprentice in my second year and I work in the Bridgend area. I love participating in sports, I've always have. When I was doing my A-levels in Ysgol Llangynnwyd, I applied to do a university course through sport. Wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do and the debt with university was a little bit daunting. Once I saw the notice for the apprentice, I considered applying. Once I had the interview then I realised that it was an amazing opportunity to have experience working and also achieving extra qualifications in the working world.
The apprenticeship scheme is a great opportunity where you work and learn at the same time and also develop the skills of school children.
My day is usually I have school in the morning, so I'm in a school from 9:30 to about 12 doing different sports. Then I'll have a lunchtime club, I'll do an after school club and then a community club in the evening. The variation of sports, we do football, netball, rugby, all kinds of different things. I really enjoy it.
Some people do this training within schools, but I do it in Glanllyn, which means I live in Bala with two friends. We go through the system together, we can go out climbing and kayaking together and it's brilliant.
So I've just finished my first year. I did a NVQ level 2, so I've got a qualification from there and now I've just started my second year, which is a level 3 sports development course. This will help me to go to university if I want, or I'll have the qualifications to try for another job.
So I've just started my second year. This year I'm going to be concentrating on developing sport and going into more depth with that topic.
I'm enjoying my second year a lot more this year. It's a lot more natural. I didn't think it was possible because the first year was so good. I get to do a lot of things independently this year. I'm doing all my clubs alone, but I also have the support of my line manager if I do need it.
I finished the apprenticeship scheme at the end of summer 2017 and I was fortunate enough to get a job as a sports activity officer based in Llanelli.
If it's possible, I'd like to have a full-time job with the Urdd. 1 or 2 apprentices last year managed to get the opportunity for a job, so I'd love to be able to have that opportunity.
I'm a lot more confident this time round having this opportunity with the Urdd Apprenticeship scheme. I've learned a lot more lessons, I've got a lot more qualifications. I'm a lot more confident thinking about future jobs, whether I stay on with the Urdd or with a different organisation.
In the future, I really want to go travelling or join the army. The experiences I've had have given me loads of confidence to do stuff on my own and independently, and it's just something that's going to be very useful for what I want to do. The best thing about this scheme is the experiences that I get. I don't have to pay for the courses, I get paid to go on them and I get paid to be in the outdoors and somewhere that I love.
Looking back, I enjoyed working with the children, developing the children's skills, my own skills, and also working through the medium of Welsh and developing the children's Welsh at the same time.
The opportunity I've had and the qualifications I've had puts me ahead of people who have been to university, I believe, because they have the qualifications but I have the experience in national competitions, working with children, working with adults, so I believe this experience has put me in a better place for my future.
It opens so many doors for me in the future.
It's brilliant.
It's an amazing opportunity with the Urdd.
The scheme is operated across Wales and the Urdd are looking for new individuals and areas.